Okay, so getting to Goa, we have no place, and we reach Goa, and then we start looking for places. We knew the areas that we want to live in. We wanted to stay in North Goa primarily, so we started looking in the areas that we wanted to rent a house in. Our budget was not very high, so we were looking for something like a one-bedroom hall kitchen
Or maybe a
apartment.
studio, like something smaller
Yeah.
maybe.
So this is the real way to go apartment hunting in Goa. We are looking for apartments for ourselves. We want like a one-bedroom hall kitchen apartment for me and Ritika, and we have zeroed in on our location. So the first most important thing in Goa is to figure out which area you want to stay in. Firstly, decide between whether you want to stay in North Goa or South Goa, or if you want to stay in Panjim, or if you want to stay close to the airport in Dabolim. You can choose to stay in Porvorim if you want to stay close to Panjim, if you want to stay close to the city. So we were looking for apartments in North Goa, and we have already lived in Siolim for a month. We've lived in Asagao. We have lived in Anjuna. We've lived in Wag. We have lived pretty much in most places in North Goa. This time we were seeing other villages like Moira and Aldona, but they are a little far away. Way to do it is first you like a location, you like an area, and it's always better to ask people around, ask watchmen, ask different society managers. Because a lot of apartments here are for rents, and so the first one we liked is Ziva Suites over here on the white. Okay, now let's look to ask. Keep it on. गुड इवनिंग सर. सर एक पूछना था आपसे, जीवा स्वीट्स है ना ये, इधर पे अपार्टमेंट मिलेगा भाड़े पे? अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, आजू बाजू कुछ अच्छा सोसाइटी है? अच्छा, इधर ढूंढ रहा हूँ ये एरिया में. कौन सा वाला? अच्छा, क्या नाम है बिल्डिंग का? चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू. Okay, so you may not have immediate luck, but you'll definitely start off somewhere. We are now going to go to this society that we liked, that we saw a couple of days back in Siolim. It was a very nice society, and we really liked because there was a nice, cute pool there, and there was a nice gym in the society. We didn't speak about the rent, nor did we see the apartment. We are hoping we can speak to the society manager today, and then he'll show us around. We're just entering the society now. So this is the society, and we are just waiting for the society manager now, and he's going to show us, I think, 2 flats. He's going to show us one bedroom and one 2-bedroom hall kitchen, and then we're going to discuss if the rent at all is somewhere close to our budget.
Okay, if we like it a lot, then we're still.
Then we are screwed. If we like it a lot, we are screwed. Because then it means Ritika's salon expenses are going to be
I'm
half.
sorry, bro.
No Bina Panjani scenes.
That's not.
So I have a very good feeling about it. And especially this part. There's a phase 1, but I didn't like the phase 1. There's a Russian party going on. Yeah, not good. You can't live like that. This is a nice phase 2. Very relaxed. Why we get like 2 sun chairs here. If we got that room, no. This has scope. It's a nice quaint little society, you know.
I know it's going to be nice. For sure, I'll use the bathroom. I really want a good bathroom.
I'm going to start a Patreon account for our home.
If we get a 2 BHK, then we won't share a bedroom anymore. We shall have 2
Yeah,
rooms.
that's true.
He will sleep in a different
What will we
room.
make with the second
I
room?
don't know. My room and your room is separate now. What will we?
That's a good plan. That's a good plan.
He's done.
That's a good plan.
Yes. Agar?
Okay, this guy has come now. Let's see. One bedroom चाहिए था, but then floor पे चाहिए, ground floor पे नहीं चाहिए. So since one नहीं है, so I told him to show rent Now, of course, guys, if you want to move into Goa, there are many ways of finding an apartment. We were in a lot of Facebook groups. We saw a lot on Airbnb through booking.com. But nothing like getting here and seeing the apartment in person. And the way you can do it is if you get in touch with a local here who will show you the best apartments available. And even price-wise, I'm sure you will get a better deal.
To find a home in Goa, it's
Yeah.
important that you are in Goa.
And you meet the locals, you go around societies, you ask the watchman if you like a particular place, you ask people around you. That is the better way rather than booking it digitally.
You know, you find these signs to let and to rent on all these places that you cross. So it's very important that you keep a check on that.
Yes.
That's where you find a house in Goa.
Okay, now we are going to see a 2-bedroom in the other side of the society, which is apparently even more swanky, but costs some more money,
Yes, let's see.
which is the story of our life.
Generally, the case.